How to add animated gradient overlay effect in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag and drop a 4-color gradient above your video in timeline and adjust its duration to match your video. With the gradient layer selected, open up the Inspector panel and click on Generator tab. Here, change the center of the gradient and its 4 colors based on your needs. Now click on the Settings tab. Scroll down and under Composite Settings, set Composite Mode to Soft Light, and change its opacity based on your needs. Now we have this nice 4-color gradient overlay, but it is not animated. Scroll up and under Transform Settings, set Zoom value to 2.5 so when we rotate the layer, it will cover the entire video. Move the playhead to the start of gradient layer. Click on Diamond button next to Rotation Angle to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of gradient. Increase the rotation angle to a high value like 600 degrees. And now we added a nice animated gradient overlay to the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.